All right, so I'm going to tell you about a patient story now. Ken is a young, obese patient who starts developing headaches on a daily basis to the point that he loses his minimum wage paying job. Over the ensuing 3 months, he develops intermittent fever, chills, altered mental status, confusion. He visits 3 different hospitals in the Houston area, outside of the Texas Medical Center. He undergoes 3 expensive CT scans, and each time he's diagnosed with a typical migraine. I had the privilege of taking care of this patient this past Saturday night at Bentop Hospital. He came to us after one of his seizure episodes. We ended up performing a lumbar puncture on this gentleman, and we diagnosed him with a severe form of fungal meningitis. My suspicion is that he did not undergo lumbar puncture because most providers are hesitant to perform this procedure in anatomically complex patients. Our fellows, Jessica Traver, Nicole Moskowitz, Yashar Ganje, and Javier Garcia, spent over 400 hours again doing clinical observation. They came up with 400 plus needs, and they selected to work on this particular problem and the solution that they have developed, which makes lumbar punctures more intuitive, more convenient, and easier to perform, is called IntuiTap, and they are about to disrupt a procedure that has not changed over the past 100 years. And I introduce you to Jessica Traver, who's going to talk about IntuiTap.
IntuiTap has designed the first comprehensive solution to this problem. We utilize an array of tactile sensors that, when placed up against the back, can detect with greater sensitivity the underlying vertebrae, even through multiple layers of soft tissue. You can think of it as a stud finder, but for the spine. We also incorporate a needle guide to help physicians reliably insert the needle at a consistent angle, and we've eliminated the need for the cumbersome, currently used manometers to measure the pressure by incorporating a digital pressure sensor. Finally, our fluid collection system allows for sequential filling while also reducing the risk of exposure to potentially contaminated spinal fluids. We're increasing the accuracy of this procedure, so therefore we can be decreasing the physician frustration and also the unnecessary pain to the patient. By standardizing this procedure to be 30 minutes or less, we can increase emergency room throughput and saving hospitals an average of $600 per case. We've got a really strong team of 4 with backgrounds in engineering, business, and medicine, and we've been able to demonstrate our ability to meet key milestones in a short period of time. In just the past 9 months, we've spent multiple hours vetting and validating this need, as Farzad mentioned, with key stakeholders here in the Texas Medical Center. We've built and tested our beta prototype. We filed for a provisional patent, and we recently received IRB approval in order to test our imaging platform on humans. So we're now raising $1 million in order to continue the development of this product, and that will take us through an accelerator, will allow us to grow our team, build and test a beta prototype, convert to a utility patent, and submit our 510(k) application. Once again, we're IntuiTap Medical. We're eliminating the guesswork from spinal taps. We'd be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Our table's back there. We've also got a demo of our prototype that we can show you